Almost forgot I was going to replace that part. Let's see what I need to get this out of here. Get the camera over here. This is a very awkward angle to be at. The camera won't go down far enough. So, all right. Just going to show you what we got going on here. This is the bar I'm going to replace with the adjustable. And it looks like I've got a nut here for this arm to come out, and then the new arm just has this angle so it'll go up and inside and lock in place and be held there. No nut. So I'm going to take that nut off. Since I really can't get the camera in here to show you, I will pause, get that off, and then we'll come back. Okay, time to slide the deck in. Yep. Oh, yeah. Forgot to point out. These arms, make sure they're not back like that, obviously. They want to be forward because they're going to hook up over here. That arm we just put on is going to go, the arm we just installed is going to connect here. This gets connected up front. So we'll get that all hooked up here in a second. Roughly in position. That arm is on, or in place rather. I'm gonna lower the deck, or lower the arm, so everything comes down where it should be. Okay. Okay. Put on the washer, put on the clip, and come on, get in there. There we go. And snaps in place. Let's go do the other side. That arm came with a new clip and washer. Might as well use them. Come up here so you can maybe see what I'm doing. I don't know. There's this arm that goes on there. Washer. Spring clip. Done. And then the new arm. It's on there. Oh, wrong washer. That was the right one. Yep. All right. Okay. The new arm's on there. Gonna have to do some funny camera work here so you can see what's going on. Now, for the belt, you see there's these hooks here. Make sure your belt gets up over the hooks on both sides. Oh, this is awkward to do with one hand. Get the belt up and over. Oh, that's why. It's like, damn, that belt is long for some reason. Is that right? No, that ain't right. That goes over this one. Yep. Like that, and then down here. All right, now the belt's about the right length. It's gonna be a bit sloppy. That's normal. Now, the last thing to hook up here is the front. Push it forward a little bit. Come on. Again, doing it one-handed. Not easy. There we go. Oh, no, not enough. Dang it. All right. Gotta put the camera back down. I can't do this one-handed. That's why. Bent the fucking thing. Alright. I might have to replace this pretty soon. Yeah. Okay. don't know if you're going to be able to see this or not. Okay. Route the drive cable. Spring gets attached to the brake lever. There we go. And the bolt goes back in. Pull back on it, take the slop out. That should be fine. That's connected, those two engagement cable. All right, we're all connected. Now for the adjustment. And I do that by bringing the deck up a little bit, get it up off the ground just a hair more. I got it in number 3 position. Okay, now what I've got to do, take some measurements from the bottom here to the floor, same on the other side, and then on the front. And I want I believe I want the front just maybe a 1/4 inch higher than the back. If I remember the book, oh, let me grab something to measure with. I guess this little Craftsman tape measure will have to do. All right, on the front we have right at 1 inch to the ridge of the deck. Got 1 inch, and yeah, I'm at 1 7/8 here, so that's got to come down. And what do we got on the? Go see what we've got on the other side. On the new install. Over here, I've got. Well, I guesstimated the height between the two close, because I'm at about 1 3/4 inches over here, so I don't have to come down much. See where we are now. Yeah, inch and a half. Didn't come down that much. Jesus. Right at, geez, are you kidding me? Inch and a half. Feels like I just moved it an inch and a half. Oh, let's see what we got here now. Good Lord. Got a thread like in this or something. Man, that doesn't want to turn. Time to get out the hot, sexy sauce.
Giggity.
Damn. Well, what the hell's going on with that? I need to get this thing done now. You know what? I'm going to just tighten up the front. The hell with it. If I tighten up the front, that'll lift the front a little bit. And we'll call it level. Put some wedge under there to hold it up. I'm at about 1.25 inches. And I'm right at 1 inch, exactly, perfect. So 1.25 inches on this side. So let's check this one. Less than 1 inch. All right, I gotta move it back up. That's about 1 inch. Quarter. And no, just 1 inch. Alright, what do we got now? Almost there. There we go, that should be it. Yep, 1.25 inches, right on the money. All right, now to crank, tighten this side up. I need a deep well, Jesus. Running out of space. I need the deep well, 5/8. Here we go. Oh, it's 3/4. I need to get a set of 3/8 deep well next time I head to Harbor Freight. All right, there we go. Double check our measurements. 1.25 inches. We got it in front. I got 1 inch in the front. Actually 1 1/8 inches, but that's fine. 100% good enough. And about 1 1/8 inches. Okay, we're gonna live with that. Whew. The deck is installed. Let's see how it looks all the way up. All the way down. That's resting on, that's number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up. What do we got? Just for sanity check. Right about 2 7/8. And what do we got there? Looks like 3 1/8. All right, that's 1/8 of an inch difference. And what do we got here? And 3 1/8. Perfect. All right, folks, that's it. The only thing left to do now is ride off into the sunset and start mowing the grass. That's about 2 weeks overdue. Whee. I'm gonna put the hood back on real quick. I'm not going to bother hooking up the lights because I know the bulbs are fried. I'm not messing with that right now. Oh Lord, that last rain got it all muddy. Oh man. We had some rain the other day. And it just got mud all over the hood. That's got to get fixed. Got to fix the lights. I'm going to redesign and 3D print a new logo for there. Still got the Husqvarna on this side, but this one is missing the huh. So I'll 3D print that, put that on there. Alrighty. Let's see if this bugger will crank up. It's been a couple of weeks. Up you go, selfie stick.